In front of me is Tank 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then to create a new one, use this plus at the bottom in the middle. And first of all, set up an hour. Then choose OK at the bottom right corner of the pop-up. Now you can adjust your alarm however you want to. By clicking on repeat, you can pick days of the week. By tapping on this icon next to vibrate, you can disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. Then click on bell icon right next to vibrate. And by choosing Add New at the top, pick any sound from your device and set it up as new alarm one. You can also just tap on one of those melodies. Then select label and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. To save it, hit OK. Now to hide all of those options, click at the bottom right corner of your alarm. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it. And to delete it, use the same icon at the bottom right corner. And then hit delete at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!